Hello, good morning students. I am your science teacher S. Kiran. Welcome you all back to another session of science online classes. Students, today we know very well what we have to do. As you seen in the last video, it was intimated. In the next video, we will discuss about question answer. So this is the time of question answer session. So students, before proceeding, as you know, as usual, use a headphone for the better listening and experiencing, and take out the textbook and get ready for the today class. So students, as we can see, everything is very clear. What is mentioned on the board, you can see. So number first, fill in the blanks. So students, on the topic, living things which can make their own food are the. Question is that living things which can make their own food. Students, see, surround yourself and think the answer of this question. Which living things have the capability or ability to make their food on? You can say none other than plants. Am I right? If you have studied, so you came to know plants is the only living things which can make their food by themselves. So see the students, next topic, next questions. Human beings breathe. Human beings breathe in. You can see. Tell which gas, which, you know, I hope oxygen may be the right answer. Oxygen may be the right answer. Human beings take oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. So students, in the next questions, in plants, exchange of gases takes place. In the plants, it is talking about plants. Exchange of gases takes place through stomata in the leaves. Okay students, in the next question, words reproduce by producing. Words produce. I think during the reproduction topic it was already discussed. There are two types of reproduction, asexual or sexual. So about asexual and sexual you will read in the next classes in brief. So that if I talk about birds reproduction, so it produced by eggs. Questions. The next question, a living thing composed of many cells. A living thing composed of many cells is called. Have you remember? Multicellular. Yes, friends, multicellular organism. See, it is all about fill the blanks, but now we will proceed with MCQ, that is multiple choice question. In this question, a sentence has given, a question has given, and including the questions, there are 4 alternative options will be given. So, among of that, you have to pick out only one answer, maybe the correct, that you have to be find out. So see, respiration is a process during which respiration, we know very well, respiration is a process and it is very important for the living things. So during which oxygen is taken, which gas is taken, so oxygen is taken, it is your right answer, you know very well. So excretion, I am talking about excretion. Excretion is a characteristics of only plants, only animals, both plants and animals, and viruses. Both plants and animals. Students, if a living thing is existing, so respiration and excretion is very important. So now see, each is A or N, multicellular organism, non-living things, animal or unicellular organism. Each is a unicellular organism. So increase in size of an organism takes place during intake of food. Students, during the take of food, the size of an organism may increase? No. So growth. During growth. Growth is the right answer. We can see the next question. The production in rose plant can take place through seeds, leaves, or stem cuttings. Stem cuttings is the right answer. So last question, students. Which of the following is not made up of cells? Which is the following is not made up of cells? Among four alternative options, which is not made with the help of cell? So we can say that sugar crystal. It is all about the question answer session, students. I hope you understood and what the descriptive question answers are there. It is already based on what the topics were discussed in the chapters. So you have to, it's your turn, it's your duty, it's your responsibility to find the appropriate answer of the particular questions through the topic. So students, till that, bye bye, thank you.